Alright y'all, today we are out at a beautiful private lake, and our goal today is simply to catch ourselves some big bass. It's a beautiful morning here in South Texas, not too hot, not too cold, little breeze going, a lot of grass on this lake, and there's a lot of big fish to catch. So like I said, goal is to catch a big bass. We got the little mini boat all rigged up. We're taking it out today and see what we can catch. There we go. God, I can cast this a mile. I just casted it to the grass. Oh, I had a fish on it too. There he is. Oh, it came off. He's on it again. There we go, y'all. Nice one. Beautiful little fish. We are keeping some of these bass today. I just want to let y'all know if you see us boxing. It is a private lake, and we keep them for conservation sort of purposes to make sure that the body of water is not overpopulated with these largemouth, because as you can see, it kind of stunts their growth. Still a beautiful fish. That's the best fish today. I don't know. It's hard to tell because they're just all beautiful. I just saw my white lure disappear.
That looks awesome. Oh, look at this. Look at how deep these pockets are.
Way up there.
You know they're in.
Alright y'all, so we've been fishing for a while now. We've caught quite a few bass. It's getting kind of rainy. It's starting to, the wind's picking up, but it's still just, honestly, I would consider it beautiful weather compared to the heat that we've been used to for the last couple months. This is fun fishing in it, and obviously the fishing action hasn't turned off because we've caught a ton of bass. So we're just gonna keep fishing, keep going. And the goal is still to catch ourselves a big bass because we have yet to do that. And I'm still confident. I'm going back and forth between throwing a swim jig and like a normal football jig, and we're gonna catch a big fish. I feel it. That green swim bait.
I feel feelings that I can't describe. I'm not breathing, but I'm still alive. Whoa, whoa.
Oh my gosh, that was so cool, y'all. That fish hit it right at the boat. Told you. What did I just say? Big fish under the boat.
So many days have passed. I wait around for things to change, but change has not come fast. I'm asking all the questions, but then I question them like, what's the point
this
of
is
living
nuts.
existing when you can't see your
These fish are in the boat.
I'm looking for the answers. They
not
say to pray instead. I think I'll find them one day, but with a helping hand. I know that it's not easy, but I believe I will. Yeah, I'll get over all my fears and really conquer everything. I think I'll be alright, 'cause I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up yet. I
That is just nuts. I feel like they hit it more often under the boat than maybe some new fish have moved into my spot.
Psychopath.
I mean, that's just nuts. Under the boat.
Under the boat, deep water. Yeah, they're in these lanes of deep water, you know. This is pretty fish.
Yo, I think we got a better bass on here. Boom! That's pretty bass. That was a great fish. My camera wasn't rolling for the hookup, unfortunately. Believe it or not, I was trolling for fun, and that was the biggest fish of the day, so it's kind of fun. But we're gonna keep fishing, keep catching them. That was a beautiful bass, though. It just shows you there's a big bass in here. Well, we're heading over to the next pond. I came across this guy. Now, I've seen this truck for years, ever since we've been fishing this private lake. It's like the first Dodge ever made. It's got a crazy like crane mount on it, but it's literally might be the first Dodge ever made. I think this is it. So today though, we decided in between ponds, we're gonna explore it a little bit and see if we can't find anything cool in it. It's pretty sketchy, but we're gonna try it. If y'all come around here, you can see that we can technically, the door doesn't open, but we can look into the car and there's a glove box. And I want to open a glove box. The window's down there, which is concerning. There's definitely a rattlesnake around it. There's been animals in it because there's crap. There's a bird's nest. Okay. Oh, the glove box, I don't think there's even a glove box there. I think it's fallen out of the car. Oh, God. No, I'm kidding.
God.
Look at that, y'all. Look at the stereo and the speedometer and everything. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty crazy truck. Okay, on to the next fishing spot. Choppers, better took those risks. One of my fists, we fire starters. Let's go. One of a million will reach those heights. Always had a feeling that I won't deny that work. Never can toss. Look at my eyes. I'm on the rocks. Oh, no way. He's got a spider in his mouth. Really? He's crawling around. What? I'm releasing this guy. He had a spider in his mouth that was alive. Well, y'all, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Today was a fun day. We probably ended up catching over 70, 75 bass, something like that. So that's always a good day out on the water. Big thank you guys so much again for watching. I really do appreciate it. And also a big thank you to WindRider, the clothing sponsor of the channel. If y'all want to check them out, I'll have them linked below. I'm currently wearing one of their Outall hooded shirts. Just, they really do make some of the nicest shirts ever for outdoor and fishing gear. So if you want to go check them out, make sure you do. I'll have a link below. And it was really fun, beautiful day. It never really got too windy or never started pouring rain, and it never got hot. So it was fun out here. Again, thank y'all for watching, and I will catch you on the next fishing adventure. Until next time, peace out.